waterfalls. पी ली थे मैं। हाँ और धान क्या खान में दादी। Suka dia nyaman. Macam-macam ni. ये भगची तिमला There are small worms, ants in there, and I broke it with my mouth. Chanchi meu. So it was raining earlier and now the rain has stopped. Oh, it may rain in the night, but this moment everything is just great. This is Lingud. चल 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 दिमाग में मैसेज Over there, look at that village. क्या है दीदी उस गांव का नाम? मुझे सामने दिख रहा है। ये जो नीचे है भाई, ये नीचे यहाँ पे। अच्छा, that is dark. Dakwan Gaon. Look at that. Awesome as fuck. So today I'm going to do the work which I have never done. I'm going to do some woods. Aha, look at this. For the first time in forever, I am going to do this. That's great. I've done this part. So this is all the wood that I have done. It was rotten. If it would have been a hardwood, maja aa jata, you know. But this was a rotten wood, and I had to do the rotten wood. This was my first time, but next time I'll be doing the hardwood. Okay. So there is no electricity in our house. Whole village has electricity, and our mohalla, our colony, no electricity. Look at that. Full village is in electricity, but only those houses over there, our house, and maybe the house under our house are suffering from no electricity. That's bad. That's unlucky.